Hello everyone. Welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. I am Sanya and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro fast. So, in today's video, we will discuss about best free applications included in Windows 11. So, let's get started. Microsoft is changing the rules of its application store to bring more diversity and even bring Android applications to the PC. The inclusion of Android application is intended to provide the user with a smartphone-like experience and new touchscreen controls and a better way to configure Windows on the screen could make it easier for you to sit in front of the computer for longer. Well, the hot news about Windows 11 is the application store upgrade that includes variety of cool and helpful free applications alongside Microsoft Edge browser extensions, and do not forget about the Android applications. The catch about Android application is that the users can only install the Android applications that are available on the Amazon application store. Now let's discuss about the free applications available in Windows 11. The first application I'm going to talk about is Microsoft To Do. When you first open a Microsoft To Do account, the application won't look like anything special, but once you start using it, you will find that there are features hidden throughout. The interface is so user-friendly and simple. I like that you can change colors. The personalized suggestions are so helpful and that you set importance on each task to keep things organized. Well, you can use it for work and for personal use as well. Another benefit is the ability to share any reminder with other friends and create group list of reminders. Overall, Microsoft To Do has been excellent for me. I now have a separate program I can rely on for organizing my personal affairs, removed from my professional engagements and duties. I also like the fact that it can be accessed and synced across multiple devices, even if they are running on different operating systems, and all that for a program that feels and runs so lightweight is simply perfect. On the top of all that, it is completely free. Everything in Microsoft To Do is broken up into lists, tasks, and subtasks. You have so many lists you are looking to accomplish, and each list has its own set of tasks and subtasks that help you to track and complete a project. You can also flag an email in Outlook and have it shown up in the To Do as a task. Messages you flag will show up as tasks here. This feature now works with any email account hosted by Microsoft, such as an Outlook.com, Live.com, or Hotmail. Well, if I talk about the con, then you need a Microsoft account to use the application, which can be annoying sometimes. You can plan your task well by using this planned section, and here you can discuss another features about your plan and task. You can add reminder as well. Well, To Do is perfect for reminders. You can also attach files and add notes in order to make it more useful for you. Well, you can also create new lists and you can share them with your friends. All you need to do is simply right-click on it, and here you can see sharing options. Simply copy this link and share it with your friends through email and different messaging apps. So the next free application I'm going to talk about is Microsoft News. The old Microsoft News application for Windows was not great. It had barely changed since its initial launch. But now, in new Microsoft News, you have different categories of news you can search through. You can also have a video hub and nearby news, all the local news. Instead of using your IP address to determine which local news you see, the Microsoft News application lets you specify your exact location. Detect my location. This solves the problem of inaccurate IP address locations, meaning you see the news that you have no interest in. but also means you can keep track on your home city if you are going to be out of the town for a while. Sometimes you don't want to go through all the news in order to get one specific news. So here under the settings, you can on the notifications for breaking news so you can get your favorite breaking news. Well, the next free application and feature I'm going to talk about is Windows Widgets. The new Windows Widgets create an artificial intelligence powered personalized feed of the latest news, sports, weather, and other updates based on your interest. Once you download Windows 11, you will access widgets from a new tab on the taskbar. You can resize and arrange the widgets to see what's most important to you. The next best free application I'm going to talk about is Notepad. Notepad has been the fast and simple text editor on Windows for over 30 years. And now it is available in the Microsoft Store as well. View, edit, and search through plain text documents and source code files instantly. You can also use the option auto punctuation. All you need to do is press Windows logo key plus H. Microsoft Speech Services. Voice typing turns your voice into text with Microsoft's online speech technologies. Here you need to select the mic button to start using voice typing. Go to settings and check this box, enable it and enable voice typing launcher. Now whatever I will speak you will be able to see here on this notepad. Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. The next most useful and best application in Windows 11 is Calculator. Well, a simple yet powerful calculator that includes standard, scientific, and programmer mode as well as a unit converter. Well, it is a perfect tool to add up a bill, convert measurements in a recipe or other projects, or complete complex math, algebra, or geometrical problems. Calculator history makes it easy to confirm if you have entered numbers correctly or not. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, reach out to us in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video.